Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the upper button and the lower button together and keep holding them until you see the OnePlus logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the buttons and keep holding them. This will take around 10 seconds, maybe 15, but we need to keep holding the buttons. And after some time you will see the OnePlus logo. Once you see it, you can release the buttons and wait until the watch is done rebooting. Okay, and as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.